welcome to all in a game. I'm Nupur and today I am not the quiz master. Yes, today's quiz it will be my participants Swara and Preeti who got a quiz prepared for me and Neha and they are the quiz masters. Hope you guys are ready to see me play against Neha and these two hold the quiz. So, let's switch places. Come on. All right. Okay. So, are you guys ready? Shall we start?
Yes.
Be loud with your questions and let's see whether it's me or Neha who's faster. All right. Let's do a mic check. Do a sample question.
No.
Okay. Or rather,
Bonus
tell us-
question.
Okay. Rather, tell us what is the topic for today.
Guess the Indian food item.
Okay.
All right. So, all you foodies out there, be prepared because we have some very interesting food related questions here. All right. Okay. So, shall we start, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So, we just have to give you the correct answer. That's all, right? Whoever
Yes,
says it
yes,
first gets
yes.
the point.
So once we give you the correct answer, you will give us that food to eat, na?
No. Some of them are from other place.
All right. Okay. All the best, Neha. Until now, the
Yes,
quiz master,
let's go.
now a participant. All right. Let's go.
Chalo.
First one.
A thin, crispy crepe made from the fermented rice
Dosa.
and lentil batter stuffed with a spicy potato and onion filling.
Bonda.
Masala dosa. Dosa. My favorite.
This is too
Okay.
much of English for dosa. Yeah. What the hell? Lentils and all that.
You have to think. Very good.
Now
very
I
good.
got
like the question. All right. Let's
Okay.
go to the next one.
Okay, I'm going to be asking the next question.
Okay.
A popular North Indian dish featuring spicy chickpeas served with deep fried puffy bread.
Chole
Chole
bhature.
bhature.
Chole
Correct,
bhatura, chole bhature.
Yeah,
Correct, no?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. You have to tell us if we are right or wrong. So we have
Right,
to think.
you're right,
otherwise,
you're
okay?
right.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's go into the next one. Okay.
The quizmaster seemed to be more nervous than the participants.
It's the first time. You can't blame.
Go
them.
ahead, go
Go
ahead.
ahead, girls.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
A steamed, spongy, savory cake originating from the
Rasgulla.
Indian state of Gujarat.
Dokla.
Dokla.
Yes.
Yeah. Dokla it is. Okay.
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 A North Indian curry featuring tender cottage cheese cubes cooked in a velvety tomato cashew based.
Paneer tikka. Paneer butter masala.
Okay, I got the paneer butter masala. Right?
Correct,
na?
correct.
Okay, everybody's favorite paneer butter masala. Let's go. Yeah.
One of the most popular unleavened flatbreads made by baking or cooking whole wheat dough on
Roti.
tawa
Paratha.
Tandoori roti.
and finishing off with aloo frying.
Aloo paratha.
Correct.
Yeah. Very good.
Tandoori roti. Paratha roti.
Like roti, paratha. Okay, go ahead.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go into the next one. Okay.
Kidney beans served with boiled rice.
Rajma chawal.
Correct.
My goodness, this is so much of English for the regular food. Oh my god.
Now you know how they write in the star restaurants underneath the.
Yeah, the fine lines.
Okay, right. Next.
A lentil-based vegetable spiced curry or stew cooked with pigeon pea or tamarind broth.
Rasam.
Sambar.
Correct.
Yes, pigeon.
What? Yeah, I told sister brother.
For all of you unversed about pigeon peas, it is tuar dal. Tuar dal is called pigeon peas, okay, and vegetables. Okay, nice.
Oh my god.
Very
Okay.
interesting. Okay,
Okay.
next one.
A healthy, flavorful dish of mixed vegetables in a coconut and yogurt sauce with a finishing of
Kurma. Vegetable kurma.
Avial.
Vegetable kurma is also right. It is made in coconut, whatever.
coconut
It
oil
doesn't
and
have
curry
curd.
leaves
It doesn't have curd. It doesn't have curd. Avial has curd.
and yogurt sauce with a finishing of coconut oil and curry leaves.
Yogurt sauce. Let's be precise, not curd.
I am not
Yogurt
playing this
sauce
game.
is-
I am not playing this game.
I am loving this. Okay, yeah.
A savory donut made with black gram or urad dal.
Vada. Medu vada.
Yeah, correct.
You better give it to me.
it was right here. I was gonna say it. Okay, yeah. Next one.
Okay. A creamy dessert made from hung curd, sugar, and spices.
Shrikhand. मैंने पहले बोला.
Correct.
This is there, Shrikhand. Okay. Okay, Shrikhand it is. Okay.
A traditional Indian frozen dairy dessert often
Described
Kulfi.
as a
correct.
Can you complete the question for me, please? Okay, let her complete the question. Yeah.
A traditional Indian frozen dairy dessert often described as denser, creamier
Version of milk.
spice cream comes in varieties of Indian flavors such as rose, sera, and
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Nice. Okay, Kulfi it is.
Appa.
All of
Okay.
us
Chalo.
love it for this summer though.
Okay. A thin bowl-shaped pancake popular in South India and Sri Lanka.
Bowl shape. Idiyappam. No. Arre, appam.
Correct.
Shit. Oh, had I not got this?
Oh God. Okay.
okay.
Just yesterday at Bhavyam, I was thinking, I'm like, shit, I'm not getting the name.
Okay.
A popular Indo-Chinese appetizer made with cauliflower, corn,
Gobi Manchurian.
My favorite. How can I not say it? Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Next.
A popular carbonated drink in South India comes in a cod-neck bottle with marble.
Soda, goli soda.
Paneer soda.
Goli
Paneer
soda,
soda.
paneer. Yes, goli soda, paneer soda. Correctly. Yes. How many more questions I need to
should also
win?
get the point.
Body, you were late. I told first.
Okay. Okay.
a savory, deep-fried pasty filled with variety of ingredients including lentils, potatoes, and onions.
Pakoras.
Potatoes and onions.
Kachori.
Yeah.
Masala vada.
Kachori.
Kachori.
Lentils. Dal or
Lentils.
is
नहीं तो
okay.
masala vada. I thought chana dal and that also.
Stuffed with no.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. A popular Indian street food dish consisting of a spiced vegetable mash served with soft buttered white bread rolls.
Pav bhaji.
Oh, love the favorite uniform. God.
First I was about to say pani puri, but then I heard the question.
Okay.
A rich, creamy rice pudding from the Indian subcontinent traditionally made with
Payasam.
correct.
Thank you.
Okay.
Rice pudding बोल के पायसम हो गया.
See, now you understood. Initially when I was thinking, what is this so much of English?
Quiz master.
Now I got the hold of it, hang of it.
Okay. Now we are on the bonus question.
Happa. Yes, go ahead.
One. 2 points for this
Go
one,
ahead.
right?
Yes, 2 points. Okay. A traditional Bengali sweet yogurt.
Rasgulla.
What?
Rasagulla.
No.
Sandesh.
No. A traditional Bengali sweet yogurt dessert. It is made by fermenting milk and
Arre
adding.
shit.
एक second.
Mishti doi. Mishti doi.
Baba doi, Mishti doi is the same.
No, they are different. Puri. Yes.
All you Bengalis, please comment Baba doi or Mishti doi.
Yeah.
Okay, we still don't know who the winner
Okay.
is. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now, since the bonus question is done, we are here with the viewers' question. Guys, ready?
Go
Preeti
ahead.
is going to say it.
Yeah.
All right. So, Preeti is going to give you your question. Leave the answer in the comments if you know it, and you might just be the random winner if you are giving the right answer to one of our gifts. All right. Go, Preeti.
A creamy, frothy yogurt-based drink blended with water and various fruits or seasonings that originated in Punjab.
I know this. How
I also know the answer.
All right. Okay. It was an amazing quiz
Yes.
created by
Yes.
these two. Mind you, it was made by both of them only.
Very
with no
good.
help. So yes, it was an amazing quiz. Hats off to both of you.
The winner for today's quiz is Neha Aunty.
Yay! I defeated the quiz master. Yes.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's quiz by these smart little girls. And if you did, do subscribe to our channel for some fun quizzes. Press the bell icon and stay updated on all our latest quiz videos. Until then,
Bye.